Hello, hello. This is Coffee Monsters Co. Quarter 1 and Quarter 2 snail mail. And we have in here, let's see. Which one's Quarter 1? Which one's Quarter 2? Oh, here. Quarter 1. Sparkly clean. Oh, maybe that's why this is holographic. Very nice. So as you know, stupid Canada Post decided to change or raise their prices or whatever. So our stickers, our quarterly stickers, are now sent out biannually. Yeah. They're so snug. Okay, so we have a clean. Okay, I have this vinyl in like a sheet, and it is so cute. There we are. I survived the day. Well, I'm not used to the camera being over here. Survived the day. I need that. I've been having not very... Ooh, there's more of them! Oh my gosh! I did my chores, finished all tasks, survived the day. Oh, and then did my chores, finished. Okay, very awesome. I need these. I've been having such a rough week, rough month. House is sparkly clean, to-do list is cleared, a sweet treat just for me. Let's do this. Now we have our sticker sheets. These are all washi sheets. Oh, there's some sparkly ones too. Okay, so here we have large cleaning doodles. I really like this one. Cute. Messy, messy. And then sparkly clean. This is a really nice silver foil. It's really, really clean on the edges. Awesome, awesome. Ooh, I like this one. Oh, this is like a list sticker. I don't know if you can see it. These are list stickers. Oh my gosh, so cute. Okay, let's see. How should I do this? This way? Can you hear my tummy? It's like grumbling. Okay. And this one is quarter 2, and it's packed by Cynthia. Thank you, Cynthia. I don't know how they pack these stickers. How do they get it in? It's so snug. Okay. Oh, this is one. I thought it was 2. It's 1. Very nice. I wonder if she's going to make like a whole sticker sheet of this. I really like this one too. I really like this muted. I don't know if you can see the little emoji. Oh, it looks so fresh. I love it. Okay, large afternoon doodles. What's the this one's good afternoon. We have large afternoon doodles. Good day. I've been having such a rough couple days. I feel like this is so needed. It just came just in time. Ooh. I deserve cake. Let's see, how should I do this? I don't think it's gonna fit because there's two more. A little scroll, which I will do right after this. My friend is going to call me. Oh, there's two more. Okay. The Doodle Day numbers. I love these. Let's see. Ooh. Oh, this is really cute. It's like blobby. It's so whimsical. I love it. They love it too. I don't even know which one I like the most. Maybe that one? I'm not sure. It's very muted. It's like a different vibe. I like it. So nice. Okay, let's see. How should we? Okay. There. Awesome. Awesome. Thanks so much for spending time with me and sharing my what is this, like my first reaction to all my new stickers, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.